How to safely identify hail damage on your roof. Hailstorms can cause significant roof damage that often goes unnoticed until costly repairs become unavoidable. Detecting the damage early can help prevent leaks and structural issues, saving you money and protecting your home. Here's how to safely identify hail damage on your roof. Signs of hail damage. Dents or cracks in shingles. Missing granules on the roof. Damaged flashing and gutters. Soft spots or bruises. Water leaks indoors. For your safety, inspect your roof from the ground using binoculars if necessary, and check for damage to other areas of your property. However, climbing on the roof can be dangerous and cause further damage. The safest and most reliable option is to call a professional for a thorough assessment. If you need help or an evaluation of storm damage to your home, give us a call to schedule.